What's up guys, Allison from Zitrev, your path for a better you, and today we're gonna be doing 3 minutes of lower abs workout. So let's get our mat and let's get going. We're gonna start with a double straight leg stretch, but this time we are gonna keep our elbows on the ground. Okay, get ready for the next exercise. We're gonna do bicycles, but you're gonna keep the position. That means you're gonna stay on your elbows. Get ready to reverse the bicycles. Okay, next exercise, we're gonna repeat our double straight leg stretch, but this time we're gonna do it side to side. Super! Next exercise, you're gonna keep your legs at 45-degree angles and you're just going to do tiny scissors. But remember, keep your elbows on the ground. In this next exercise, we're going to keep a crunch, and then we're just gonna try to bring our elbow to our opposite knee, keeping our legs straight. For our almost last exercise, we are going to repeat our double straight leg stretch, but this time when you bring your legs up, try to do a tiny pulse with your hips up. For a better result or a better challenge, you can stay on a crunch, but you can also lower your arms to the side and your head to the floor. Okay, this is definitely our last exercise. We're just gonna be doing tiny pulses up with our hips, keeping your legs straight and stay on a crunch. Thank you guys, I hope you liked this video, I hope it was useful for you, and don't forget to join our community by liking this video, commenting and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you next Wednesday.